So we're going to make a Tiger Lite here from KBDFANS. It's going to have these switches on it. U4T. Gazzew ones, are they called? It says Focky. 62G Dolch keycap set. Bit of cable, but it's a bit naff. Just BC one though. One thing I wasn't sure about is all plastic ABS. At least it's got metal screw mounts. Don't know. It's a black and grey theme, this one. I'll have to see how it performs. A nice case with it. We'll carry it around. Then, whatever these are, these are just the screw mounting points and stuff. These screws, some rubber gaskets, or silicone gaskets, some M3 tape for the feet, some more gaskets if I remember rightly. And then stabilizers. These are cherry stabilizers, nothing fancy. You can keep it pretty much stock, but cherry screw ones. Get a sticker for the bottom, tape mod. Not too thick. Fix it. It's a wafer thin one. I can't remember what the difference is between them. We just both put them in. Another one? Oh my days. One between the plate and the PCB. $3.5mm, 4mm maybe. And then final piece is the PCB. This little daughter board, USB-C. Using Gator on hot sockets as well. Show the keycap set. We have got some jazz it with a bit of green maybe, but I like the black and grey on this one. And you got some red and green accents on the back, which I've got some green bits. It's going to be black and green, black, grey and green. It's supposed to be good, this build. Someone told me to get this, I can't remember who it was. For the price, like it's about 120 US dollars. Right, let's put it together. Let's put stabs in them first. Oh, do they go under them? Is that what they do? Right, let's leave up this stabilizer. Considering this is a cheapy keyboard, it's got quite a lot of little tricks to try and keep the sound good. That's probably why it sounds decent. Hey, first one's in. Let's get the big boy in. Right, so it needs some internal foam in it, I think. That's the bit that's missing on this. Let the pain begin. It's the best sound. Right, kind of done that. You can flick them out, change them. Right, I'm up to now. Alright, let's put the rubber feet on the gaskets. So these ones go on next. These little rubber things. Focus, man. I've seen these before. Like a little slit in them, like a little rubber hammer head. Alright, and we can lift that up. Sit it in there. Right, okay. And the next plate on top of that. Right, and all the rubber bits there. So we're going with the green and black theme. I'm sure you would have guessed that. Right, here we go. Right. That was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be quite an easy build, that. It doesn't feel the best quality, but it sounds better than it looks, I think. It's got like the case is, I think, a bit cheap. That's what it sounds like though. I'll compare it to a few others. Okay, so this one and my KD 67 one. I definitely prefer this style size keyboard to this one, but here you go, this one. That's pretty good to be fair, isn't it? It's a glorious Pro. This sounds better than that one actually, than the gmmk Pro. Yeah, I like the 60s, but they're no good for like day-to-day stuff. Key Cannon Bakeneko 67, is it? I can't remember what switches are in this. It's a gator on. Is it a Oil King? Are they black? I can't remember. Okay. Good guess. I still prefer that one, I think. Sounds better. What we got next? Akko M008. Cannot remember the keys on this one either. KO ones, I look at. I know Akko. Black ones, can't remember the name of them. Bakeneko, sorry. Can't remember what this one sounds like. I like the sound of this one. This Tiger Lite is an xtrfy K5. Got brown on it. xtrfy brown, I think it is. You know, gator on brown. I'm sure you all love that. I just think this feels a bit horrible, but it sounds good. Like, it feels nice to type on, but as long as you don't pick it up or bend it or anything, it's alright. or push it too hard. Sound is good. Build quality, iffy. Have a good day.